Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the industrial engineering and quality control subject, which is included in third year diploma in mechanical engineering 6th semester by MSBT, that is Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education. The code of the subject is 22657. Now, previously, industry engineering part was not there. As the name indicates, there are two subjects: industry engineering and quality control. Two separate subjects are combined together in one subject. So it is very vast topic. You should not take lightly, because you have to study very fast. Even though the topics are say more or less theoretical. Then in industry engineering we have to study the relationship about main material and machines, because in any industry, whenever we are going for developing any finished product, we use combination of three resources which are known as three M's of management, that is man, material and machines. And from raw material we are building a new product, finished product, which is required by the customer. So while producing anything, we require maximum efficiency of men, that is laborers or operators, material and machines. If any of the three is lacking in efficiency, then industry cannot grow well. So we must focus on all these parts and interrelationship between these parts, that is man as having some relation with machines. So we must combinedly study man and machine or man and material chart. So that technique is learned in industry engineering. And another part is quality control. Now industry engineering, in general, it is divided into two parts: method study and time study. In method study, it is systematic recording and critical examination of existing ways of doing job in order to develop the technically most feasible and economical method. What is this? Means you are doing some production, but you are facing some difficulty. Either difficulties are faced in quality or say production output, so you want to change the method to some extent. You can't change completely new method, but you want to change some method. So method means what? Either you will change the operator, you will change the material, you will change the machine or machine setting to some extent, you will add some accessories, etc., so that your aim is solved, it is fulfilled. Now for that you require different types of charts, like flow process chart, man type of material chart, man type of chart, material type of chart, machine type of chart, man machine chart. So such kind of charts you must know, and there is a systematic way, systematic techniques, systematic symbols are there. So that is very interesting if you study by heart. Then in time study, once method is finalized, you have to carry the time study. Why time study is required? In industry there are different categories of operators. You may have turner, you may have welder, you may have blacksmith, you may have CNC operator, you may have person working in heat treatment shop, person working in forging or foundry. So everybody's skill required is different. Everybody's say the physique required or exertion is different. So naturally the salary must be proportionate according to the quantum of work, and for that you must determine the amount of work involved in that, and that comes under time study. Now time study means determination of average time required for a qualified worker to carry out defined task at a predefined level of performance. Hmm? Qualified worker doesn't mean it should have very higher qualification like PhD. He can be IT or he can be diploma holder done with some specific science course. Now, the qualified worker means he must possess that kind of say minimum qualification required like IT or whatever course, certified course he has to do, and supported by little experience. So that is meant by qualified worker. So time study is useful because you want to determine the wages. Hmm? After all, everybody is working for earning money, so he must able to get sufficient money as a return for whatever he is giving his output to the company, or whatever energy he is utilizing for the company. throughout the day. He must be paid in proportion to the to his work. So that is time study. So combination of these two, that is method study and time study, that is included in industry engineering. And next part is quality control. Now quality control, it is the most say important topic nowadays in industries, because nowadays all industries are talking about Six Sigma, that is very low rejection, like 3.4 parts per million. मतलब 10 लाख में से 3 या 4 ही पार्ट खराब होने चाहिए. सो यू हैव टू वर्क एट अ वेरी हायर लेवल ऑफ एक्यूरेसी, and for that you require sufficient training. And before, you can't go directly to the Six Sigma, so for that you must learn basic techniques of quality control. Hence you must know the concept of total quality control, then control charts, then types of data, variable data, attribute data, types of control charts, then cost of quality, value of quality. So such kind of things, basic things, these are included in the syllabus. Then after doing these basic things, advancements like total quality control or TQM, total quality management, then Six Sigma, SPC or statistical process control, Kaizen, that is small improvement Japanese techniques, Pokayoke, 5S, all these techniques are included in the syllabus. After that, there are various QC tools, 7 QC tools you have to study. Again, you have to study different between inspection and quality control. Then you have to study different types of control chart, like control chart for variables X bar and R chart, control chart for attributes like P chart and C chart. And after that, there is topic of acceptance sampling. Generally in industries, unless and until part is very critical or costly, you don't go for 100% inspection, you have to go for sampling. Sampling, it is the most effective way, because it saves lot of time and of course indirectly money. uh, but one must know the systematic ways of doing sampling, so that is taught in acceptance sampling. So in short, the syllabus is very vast. Industry engineering as well as quality control, two separate subjects are combined together. So you must uh, take it seriously, don't take it lightly. And it is very interesting subject. Whenever you work on the shop floor, you have to deal with all these aspects some or other day. And if you study basics, then you will easily understand the concept of CP, CPK, SPC, etc. It's very interesting, and you will understand thoroughly whenever you have done basics to the great extent. So my advice will be to focus on these subjects, take it seriously, do it by writing. So daily you must concentrate on few topics, either by reading or writing, taking the notes, so that at the end you are not confused or you are not in a rush. All the best. Thank you. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, and if you don't like, please specify the reason in the comment, so that improvements can be done in the next video. Thank you and all the best.